up, boys? It's Monday. Me and my brother just literally got back from the airport, maybe not even an hour ago. We're back to the shop. I'm praying Jordan didn't get the car started yet. I think he probably got the car running. I couldn't get footage. Obviously, we weren't here Friday or most of the day today. So I think he got the car mostly done. I apologize. He probably got most of the footage, but you think he got it running?
Almost probably the only thing left to put in the car is the radiator. Kid you not.
Yo, you're so burnt. I'm gonna go inside. Hopefully he doesn't have it running. I'm praying he don't got it running, but we're gonna find out. Yo, J-Rock. Who the fuck, before I even say anything.
Why the fuck both of you guys look like tomatoes? What the fuck, yo, you're so burnt.
Yo, don't touch my boy neck. Aloe not working. yo, good to see you, bro. Who the fuck did that to my Subaru?
Said you wanted rally fucking mud.
Nah, that's not what I asked for. I actually bought some, bro.
You can't leave me and Kev at the shop alone, bro. It's just free reign.
I'm gonna show you guys what he did to the Subaru real quick. We thought is this car running?
How?
What's missing?
Everything.
Thank God. I was so happy. I didn't want it to be running.
No, it's not running. It's close.
But it's close. It's a lot closer than when we left.
Yeah, I got a lot of work done.
Oh, they made black ones?
That's what I said.
That shit is fire.
Never seen it before.
Probably new. This thing looks real good. Which one of y'all did that though? I know all three of y'all probably had something to do, and I feel like you knew about it.
Yeah, kind of.
Funny, right?
I paint them red for you?
It's funny, right? I swear, don't leave one of y'all cars out here. What the fuck happened to my Subi, bro?
So,
I was going for 3 days.
I fucking missed you guys.
Uh-huh.
It was it's just the vibe's different when you guys aren't here. So I want to do something special for you. I know you love the rally mud flaps, and I wanted to make you some from the heart.
Oh.
Just to let you guys know that I fucking missed you.
Let me ask you something before I show them. How long did this take you to make?
It was actually really quick.
Was it?
Yeah.
So this is how you show us, you show me that you missed me, bro?
It's like, you know when you have kids and like they don't have money to go buy you a card, so they make it and it comes from the heart and that's what counts? This is basically that same concept.
Yo, I bought my flaps for my shit, bro. This boy he put fucking cardboard. Like, I got like maybe what, 5 foot sticking out? And I'm gonna drive home with these.
That's that rally lifestyle.
I bought, but the question is where's my mud flaps that I bought? Probably in the garbage?
When does a garbage truck come? We threw them shits out last week.
That shit is gone. Yo, well, we got the Subi lowered. It doesn't look any better. But
some people would like this. If you guys like this, put in the comments right now. I think some people would buy. I think we're on this side.
If you guys see how far these shits stick out, fucking crazy. Like I probably won't even be able to go through the drive-thru with this.
Yo, after coming from Texas, isn't everything in Texas bigger?
No,
Shouldn't they have mud flaps like this in Texas?
I haven't seen one Subaru in Texas. What you talking about? Drop in the comments if you think he did a good job on these mud flaps. I don't think so. That's how you do your boy, bro?
Bro, that's love.
It's not love. Yo, Jarek, besides putting those cardboard mud flaps on, so in the last video, the motor was in, well, in the last video, I put the motor in.
Last video you were in.
Yeah, I was in the engine bay.
You were in. I don't know who let you out, but we're gonna have to find out.
So what changed from then till now? We left for like a couple days.
Yeah, you guys were gone, I think, what, Friday?
Yeah, Friday and most of today.
Yeah, this morning. So Friday, I basically got the injectors in the car, complete engine harnesses in the car, put the K-tuned alternator, power steering, delete, and this one's nice because it's like a black edition. I've never seen that before. But
how do they come?
They come with like silver finish. This is nice because it actually like goes with like the rail and everything else that's black in the motor. So I like that piece a lot. Shift cables are in. What else do we got?
Swap came out super fresh. Oh, I see the harness. Where'd you tuck the harness through?
So the harness, the way that I do it is between the subframe and the chassis of the car, and then I drill a hole in the bottom of the hole saw and get it in that way. I don't like doing it like how most people do, where it just runs along the firewall. It's just messy looking.
Yo, this looks like, this pretty much like a complete swap. I think maybe just radiators missing, maybe some wiring.
Yeah, so the engine harness is on, but I am tucking right now the chassis harness through the fenders.
That's a pretty tough job.
It's not too bad. I mean, I've done a few, so.
This looks super clean, no wiring right here on the side.
Yeah.
So tuck harness looks really good. And then we got the full-size hybrid racing radiator. Is exhaust on? Oh, fuel lines.
Yeah, still got to do fuel lines, full exhaust is on, headers on. Painted the header Friday as well. Doing the conversion kit inside and just kind of cleaning everything up.
Yeah, center console actually looks good. I'll peep that.
I put that in today. Actually, like, put the screws in and got it done. It's still kind of messy in the car.
My brother done still tore it up, but see, when you come back in, you clean this.
I try to. Like,
you clean up after him. That's what it is.
I clean up his shit. You know?
Yeah. All right, boys. So that's gonna be it for me today because I literally got back here from the airport. I didn't get no sleep yesterday, so I'm gonna finish off tomorrow. And I'm gonna say, Jared, you killed this. So this looks like the car's pretty much complete.
Almost. We're getting there.
Okay, boys. I'm gonna go home. I've been up for like 2 days straight, so I'll show you guys the rest of the content tomorrow when I come back. What up, boys? We are back from Texas, getting into the swing of things. I apologize, yesterday I was super tired. So I'm gonna go through the car. The car is pretty much almost all set. It's like right there. Everything's pretty much mocked up. Well, actually, everything is pretty much there. Everything's pretty much installed. I'll go through the car, explain like everything that's been done, including like suspension, what's done to the motor, what we did for the interior, wheel specs, full suspension, exhaust. So I'll just start there. The car got K-tuned K1 full coilovers, perfect street coilovers. They ride great. Has a function 7 control arms, 1320 full exhaust, 3-inch, and then the back just has like the toe adjustments. I think they're True Heart. Ahmed, what are the wheel specs?
15 by 8 plus 35.
And then what size tire?
205 5015 Toyota AAA R888.
Well, let's go to the interior real quick. My brother put the interior together. Well, it's not fully together yet. So
Trying to come along.
the door panels have red stitch. They're suede.
The suede door panels, red stitching. So as most of you guys know, all these EGs or most of the Hondas come with the upper half being like a grayish color. So I got them. I did them all black.
It actually looks really good. And the headliner.
And all black headliner.
Fire.
So all these plastics will be in black. Everything's gonna be in black. Visor's gonna be black. All the little clips here are gonna be black. It's gonna be a full black interior.
My favorite part about the interior is the whole center console. So you came up, you want to do the no cut to keep it stock.
So yeah, to make it look clean. Sometimes this car can be really clean built, so I kind of wanted to hide the shift box and keep the OEM center console. I mean, did this to match the door panels.
So when you guys put the full interior, one of you guys got a K-swap in the car.
No, and the other thing I'm going to do is because the steering wheel looks kind of stock, I'm going to put an aftermarket steering wheel with red stitching.
That steering wheel looks dope.
It does, but the car's going to have red Recaro, so I figured a nice steering wheel would look really good in here.
How about this? You let them decide. You guys drop in the comments if you guys think we should change the rest of the EG6 SIR steering wheel.
I already bought a steering wheel.
Damn. I think
I bought the matching one to this car.
Which one? The one in the EK?
Yeah, same horn and everything.
I want you guys to drop in the comments if you think we should keep the EG6 OEM steering wheel.
I bought the same steering with the horn to match.
That actually looks good. So the full suspension's on the car, wheels, the back's pretty much set. We have to put the mud flaps on. We have a couple of bars that we're gonna put in. The rest of the plastics we have to put in. And then the back is pretty much set. And you said what seats are you putting in?
Red Recaro and Type R rear seats, which are right there.
All right, dope. The Type R seats are right there. And then we get to the engine bay. Everything's almost set. Has ARP extended studs. These are actually blocks. Calipers, I think like the 4-piston ones.
I did buy last night brand new rotors all the way around.
And then there goes the K-tuned K1s. Check out the wheel wells. These are super clean. Has K-tuned upper camber kit. Has camber kit in the rear also. And then this is pretty dope. K-Tune just came out with this. It's anodized black. They usually come silver.
Check out this though. Remember when I was telling you the K-Tune is only half? Now check this out.
So we bought a hybrid racing full-size radiator. We're gonna put double fans on it. The overflow is actually pretty dope. I'll show you guys the overflow my brother got. Super nice. That way when it fills up, you can see it. And then we're gonna tuck this. And then we have a K-Tune fuel rail injectors. They tuck the fuel on. Brand new RBC manifold. Just for you guys, if you guys want to build your car just like this. Skunk 2, I think this is a 72 mil throttle body with a K-Tune adapter. Need an AC delete kit if you're running the same setup. We put a billet thermostat housing. Clutch lines tucked. Fuel lines are tucked. Heater hose lines are also tucked. You guys came up with this fuel setup. They tucked the lines really clean, so you can barely see it. So that way there's no fuel lines in the bay.
But that setup is only good for like, almost like what, 300 horsepower or so. For turbo guys, you guys can't run that type of fuel system, but this will work for this setup though.
So if you guys want to clean up your engine bay, that's the way to do it. This looks super fresh. K-Tuned water neck is on here. Has a rye wire full engine harness. They also tucked the harness underneath there. Has the downstar firewall plugs. Brand new booster, S2000 Master. The battery's gonna go back there. And what do we got here? We got hardware, Speed Factory hardware. We have these for every car. Hybrid Racing oil cap and a Hybrid Racing dipstick.
And we have the spark plug cover somewhere, but we still gotta change the plug, so.
Car is a full stock K24A2, has a Z3 trans, comp clutch, stage 5 comp clutch, a 6-puck. That's pretty much the full specs on the car. Has-port mounts. I think it's a PLM style header or a 1320 header, I'm just not sure.
I think it's a K-tuned header.
K-tuned?
Yeah, K-tuned.
Well, it's got a K-tuned header to the 1320 full exhaust, carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber rear spoiler. That's pretty much the full setup on the car. It has a manual rack.
Check out the best part though.
What's the best part, bro?
Find it.
What are you looking for, the front lip?
Check this out, just to give a little.
What's the best part, the intake? Let me see this.
The finishing touch. Check that out.
That actually looks really good. So we're waiting for the radiator hoses. And then radiator hoses, we're gonna do a charge harness. We'll put the fans on. I think J-Rock had already wired the underneath. It needs a sub harness. We usually use K-Tuned sub harness for these cars.
The sub harness is in already.
And then hopefully we can see it fire up this week. Think it's gonna fire?
Oh yeah, first start too.
So we're gonna add fluids to it. That's the full specs on the car. If you guys are building the same style car or same type of car, this is a stock K-Series, super easy to build. If you guys need any help, just reach out to us. We built plenty of them here. We built the EK hatch. Remember, the EK hatch goes live March 31st.
Tell them we're working on a website right now, so if anybody wants to order parts, it's gonna be real simple. They can just go to our website and order whatever they need. So.
All right, so you guys heard it from him. If you guys need anything, any parts to get your K-swap done, hit us up. We're building our website right now. You can buy everything that we have here to get your K-swap finished on our website. Literally everything. We're gonna have all Speed Factory parts, K-Tuned parts, anything you guys need to put your swap together, even OEM parts I can help you out with. So you can get your build done just like this. Maybe the only thing we can't get you is maybe your carbon fiber parts, stuff like that, because that stuff is really hard to get right now. So website coming soon. If you guys have any info, if you guys need any info on the build specs, just shoot me a DM and I'll get back to you guys. All right, boys, we want to teach you guys something real quick because we see this happen all the time, right? The K24 engines, they sit higher. The K20s sit lower, if you guys didn't know. So usually people with the 2.4s, they cut a square out right there in the hood, which is not good. The clean way to do it, most Hasport mounts will come with 2 settings, right? You want to put the K24 on the lower setting. And then, what do you say for the trans side?
On the trans side, so pretty much like this ear, you want it to be towards the lower side of the mount itself. If you flip it the other way, it'll be towards the upper side of the mount.
So basically this mount flips either way. One setting will be low, one setting will be high. You want to have the 2.4 on the low side, right? And same thing with this side. And then just put like a, what's that? Like a level kit on your valve cover just to make sure the motor is level. Because if you have this one on the wrong side, it'll either be high or low.
It'll be tilted,
So 2.4 low setting, 2.0 high setting. And that way you do not have to cut your hood. And look, I'll show you guys, this is a 2.4, the hood's not cut. And it closes, you know? Perfect. And that's pretty much it. Just make sure to do that on your K-swap car. Make sure to run it clean. Do not cut your hood. I mean, unless you want to cut your hood for lightweight. But the 2.4 low setting, K20 high setting. Let's just take a second and look at this engine bay. The attention to detail was crazy. Everything's brand new, built right. Like everything is super clean. If you guys want to buy any of this stuff, just hit us up. We can sell you pretty much anything on this car.
Just hit him with a montage, bro.
My brother's gonna hit you guys with the montage of the car. So we'll do a quick montage round. Maybe I add music, maybe not. This is pretty much where the car sits for right now until we get it running. So we'll be back, I think hopefully by the end of the week. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe.